Hello and welcome friends, please subscribe. This is a chess learning channel and today I will show you a match. It is a very wild game and both white and black played very tactical game in this, and so I liked it and I am sharing it with you. So see, and both had played very well and both had chances to win at several places. So let's see. The match started with white opening with e4, then black g6, then d3, bishop to g7, and c2 to c3, then d6, knight to e2, knight to f6, then knight to g3 and black castles, then bishop to e2, then b6, then white castles. So far it looks good. Development is going on from both the sides. So bishop to e2, this is to have an attack here, and bishop is kept here so that he can bring it here on time or here at this square also and have an attack on these two diagonals. Still, if this opens, he can have an attack from this side also. So after this, pawn was moved. This was unexpected, but since it took totally the shape of tactical game, so this has happened in the game, and I responded with pawn to e6, so that if it comes, it can be exchanged here itself. Even though this sits here, it is not a harm as of now. Now bishop here, okay, two bishop sits, so also to defend the king's line. Sometimes queen comes here and it gives an attack to the king. Then I avoided the bishops to sit here, and it was for that reason. Knight, queen here. Actually, idea was to have this pawn here and to take advantage of the bishop here, because bishop has only one square. So if knight sits here with some support, then this will be moved up and I will have a bishop instead of knight. So it was for that. So this is here interesting because files are closed and it doesn't looks like it will open soon in the game. So might be my opponent have some idea to have some exchange here and to threaten the queen. So I ignored it and I moved h5. So it was for the same reason, to have an attack on the bishop. So pawn is moved ahead, b3, knight sits there. So even I thought one pawn, if I can sacrifice also, that looks good, because this pawn if pushed here, then I have to take it, otherwise it can create some problem here. So bishop went back and still it is going there also. So knight captured bishop and rook captured bishop. And another thing, you see this diagonal. Okay, so second thing that can strike here is this bishop to sit here and take the rook. So that was the idea, and I proceeded the pawn to move this pawn here or capture this pawn. So before that, knight takes one pawn. I was not expecting this, but it happened and I captured the knight. Then bishop sits on h5, which can be dangerous. At many times it is dangerous when queen, bishop, knight sits here and the pawns on top of king is not there, then it becomes dangerous. So I proceeded with my idea and I offered the pawn. He avoided and he moved. He should have captured, because anyway the rook was here. I will not capture it, but for some reason he avoided it in. He wanted to maintain the pawn structure. It looks like that, and so he pushed it forward. So this is also very much closed, and not much development can happen soon in the game. It's look like that. So as per the plan, this was the next move, and the rook was captured. So queen comes here. So this is very attacking, and it can come from here also, checking the king. So but with this two piece, these two pieces can be dangerous, so I have to bring some of the pieces in the game, and this is what I did next. So queen on the 7th row. Now check. I wanted to move this up, but I have to save the check first. So king to this square, and then queen sits there. Now I have to open it. So pawn open, so that if check comes, I can move the queen here, or in this row it can move wherever possible. So now rook is coming into the game, so it can come here, it can sit here, or even it can sit here. That can be dangerous, so I have to support it with another rook. I cannot bring the rook here now, because from here it can be a checkmate. So king don't have a space, and I will bring the queen, and it can be a checkmate. So I can show you this. See here, I cannot bring my rook here. If I will bring it here, then one check, and the only way is this one, and then second check is game over. So avoided it, and so one check, and I moved the king. Actually I should have given the offer to exchange the queen here itself. That would have been a better move, but I just brought it here because my intention was also to move the king to the center squares, so that it can be saved by multiple pieces. So one pawn gone and a check. So I have to sacrifice my rook, but my opponent don't want to give up the bishop at this point, because the bishop is doing really good work for the attacks. So he avoided, and I had to save the rook, so moved the king. He didn't take the rook and brought another piece for the attack. So this was a good move, because my opponent is bringing in the pieces. So I have to take this bishop, because this has become a danger now. I gave the offer to exchange the queen. So I gave the queen exchange offer, and next move my partner did was queen to this square. The idea was to capture this pawn, and this pawn is not being saved at all. So this is the problem with this. So my next move was knight. I thought, okay, one pawn is going anyway, so let's defend the second pawn. And I made the knight sit here, so queen cannot enter through this row now. So this is save square now, and my second aim is to bring the rook here. He should have given it, so I will have to exchange with my queen, and instead of queen I will have a rook and a bishop. Anyway, I have one more rook with me, so it will equate the position, but he avoided because he have only one rook, so he don't want to give it at this point. And bishop went there, because this I think was not required. Bishop was safe here also, but in order to defend this pawn, I think he went there. So the pawn is defended now, so that was the reason. So I took the bishop, which was creating more danger to black, and I gave an offer to exchange the rook. He didn't care, he thought he will not, and he waited for the knight to go. I would have had taken the pawn now, but the rook was of more importance to me, so I took rook. And my friend took the knight. I brought it back. I didn't take the knight now, I brought it back. So I saved it, and in times I can go for the exchange. So now a check. So I thought to take it, but taking it now will help or not, I am not sure. So I waited for a couple of moves. The time was also ticking. It is 3 minutes 5 seconds now. So I just kept this check. I thought, okay, with the rook and queen I can have an attack here, that can be more danger. So I waited, but he made the knight sit there, which can be dangerous, and now he is having the attack here. I supported the pawn first, then it came back. I took the knight. I thought if knight will sit here, it can be danger to black. So queen takes the pawn also along with the knight, and now cannot do anything from here. So I thought to support this. Anyway, this pawn will go because I cannot keep rook in this place and attack also. So I avoided it. I supported with queen first. Now check. I brought it to a safer square. Now attack is on the rook. I brought it to the 7th row. Now it is here, and I thought, okay, let's support the queen. I will keep the rook here and shift my queen to the other side for the attack. So check again. Queen exchange offered, avoided. This was actually a sacrifice move for this and for this also, so that from here it is a checkmate. So my opponent know this, and he took this pawn. So I captured the other pawn, and he didn't take that pawn as well, so I have to save myself from the check. I moved the king up. So now next move was queen this side, so that more checks can be given. I took the pawn and moved ahead. So check. I moved up because this pawn is to be captured first, because this is also a pass pawn. So check. Instead of going there, I came here, so that I can have my queen free move to the other check also. Then my friend knows this, and he moved this pawn so that a space can be created for the king. So I gave the check to advance the pawn. Pawn was advanced, and he also advanced. So now I have to save the rook. So what I did, I put the rook here. So attack the queen. Let he save himself, and I will get one move to advance the pawn. So he did save with a check, and I brought my king down. He advanced his pawn, and I get a queen there, and queen captured, queen will capture, and it is where the white resigned. So hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.